This video is going to show you how to construct an angle bisector. So if I take an angle, let's just draw a nice big one right here. And I want to construct an angle bisector. What I'm going to do is, well, let's just call this something here. Let's call it angle MNO for a change. Okay. So I'm going to take my compass and place the center on the vertex N. And just like with copying an angle, I'm going to choose a length that's going to cross both sides of my angle. And so I'll choose 60. It's a good number, like right here in the middle. I always kind of pull out a little bit on my protractor as I'm using it, because you can probably see that it kind of wiggles a little bit, and I like to be accurate, so I kind of push to the outside as I use it. So there's 60 there, and I go over here, and there's 60 there. So with those two measurements, I'm going to call those intersections X, Y. Okay? Now what I want to do is I want to create an intersection that is approximately in the middle of the interior somewhere. So I can just use 60 all over again if I want to and draw something way up here. Okay, matter of fact, I'll just do it just for fun. There's a 60 right there, and I'll go up to point X, and I'll do a 60 up there. Okay? But I don't have to do that. I can just take something from point X or Y. We'll start at Y. And I just want to go somewhere out towards the middle. So I'm going to, I don't know, I think I'll choose this 50. Okay? And I'll go over to point X, and I'll choose that 50 as well. Okay? So now if I connect point N to this intersection, it's on the angle bisector. And if I'm accurate, it'll cross right through this point as well. So let's go through N, and let's go through this intersection right here. And how about that? It does cross right through there as well. That's because any set point on the angle bisector is going to be equidistant from points X and Y. Okay? So let's just call this point Z so that we have a reference. And now I know that these two angles are congruent. Angle ONZ is congruent to angle MNZ. Okay? That's all there is to it.